is right here in the Philippines. So we have with us here Brian and Dan from Salt Lake City, and they're bringing in fan experience in a really big way. And what we said was, our first impression was, we can't afford it. We can't afford to have a show that's big.
Well, that's very honest.
But they said, don't worry, we will build it for you. We will exceed your expectations. We will go beyond your dreams, and we'll build it for you. We'll make sure the fans.
Typecast is very well done.
Seriously.
I'm short, so I have to do this. My first question is, who's your most favorite Superman? Who played Superman aside from you, of course, and why?
Other than myself. The Superman for me is always going to be Christopher Reeve.
Yeah.
And he was all right. He was, when I was a kid, he was my Superman. And I never grew up thinking that I was ever going to play the role. Especially being part Asian and this, I didn't think that, I was going to be Superman. And I watched him and I believed the man could fly, and he was my Superman. Even when I played Superman, the character, when I played Superman, I sort of took from Christopher Reeve the way he played Superman. And Clark Kent was much more of the version that George Reeves played. But it was really well written, and that was my favorite character to play. So other than me, without a doubt, Christopher Reeve. He was the original, he was amazing, and to me, he'll always be my Superman.
The second question is, with the trailer a while ago, you and your co-host was talking about not looking at the girl. What can you say about the men to be Superman? The men to be Superman without the power.
Oh, you mean
How can they be?
not using your X-ray vision for bad things? Well, that's a character that I play. I'll say that first of all. I'm not sure I can be as disciplined. But that's the whole thing about Superman. Superman is the most powerful being on the planet, and because of the way he was raised with those really strong hometown values, he'd be the most moral and wonderful guy on the planet. So it's easier for the character than it is for real life. I know I would have more difficulty than that, and that's about as far as I can go.
And my last question is, actually this is not a question but a request. Can I get a kiss from the Superman?
Absolutely. That's your husband? I'm sorry, sir.
It's a French marriage,
Sorry.
Dean. It's a French marriage. It's an open one.
I'm sorry, sir.
He's very supportive. You can see.